right, just a quick video on the review and make sure you're good to go with all this review stuff and the review questions, the answer sheet's there too. So let's kind of go over this quick. The initial population, annual rate of 24%, write an exponential function model for the quail production. So it's A equals our production, which is 175 times 1 plus 0.024 to the second power. Because it says it's growth, it increases, so it's plus. Oops. Unedited version is what you're getting. I'm not going to edit this mistake that I made here, so it should be 0.24. So 1.24 squared. It doesn't ask you to solve it. Oh, it does. Approximate the population. Grab a calculator. 175, parentheses, 1.24, squared, raised to the second power, whatever. So 269-ish. 269.08 is the exact answer. Okay. Question number 2. Without graphing exponential growth or decay, look at the b value. The b value is less than 1, so it's exponential decay. Without graphing, determine, look at the b value. It's greater than 1, exponential growth. The little difference says the money invested at 5% compounded continuously for 3 years, but now we know the answer is 420, so we've got to use our PERT formula. So the amount equals the principal times e to the RT, but now we know the A is 920. We don't know the principal, so I'm just going to put a capital P there. E, we know the rate is 5%, so that's 0.05 for a time of 3 years. So that's 920 equals P. I'm going to calculate what that is. E raised to the 0.05 times 3. So that's 1.1618. So I'm going to take 920 and divide it by that. Oops. 920 divided by that answer. So our principal amount that we started out with was $791.85. So I got a little bit different that one. They gave it to you. Yeah, there it is. Next one, suppose you have $100 annual interest rate of 4.6 compounded continuously. So now we're still going to use the PERT formula, but now we have to calculate the end amount. We know the principal is 100. E 0.046 times 7.5. So I'm just going to punch in the calculator like that. So 100 E 0.046 times 7.5, close parentheses. You get $141.20. Next one, $6,000 invested in an account that earns 5.5 interest compounded quarterly. So we have to use compound interest formula. So the amount is equal to our principal times 1 plus our rate, 0.055, divided by my end value. It's quarterly, so that means 4. And then time and n times t. So I always just do the 0.055 divided by 4 plus 1. Take that to the 32nd power is 8 times 4 is 32. Take that times 6,000 to get a calculator, and you get $9,288.40. Nope. Should learn how to round. 36 cents. Or approximately. Write in logarithmic form. These are the easy ones. So it's in exponential form, so logarithmic form. log base 125 of x equals 4/3. That's all you're asked to do. Log base 2 of 4096 equals 12. Log base 3 of 19,683 equals 9. You're done. Exponential form, 3 to the 8th equals c, and 4 to the negative 2 equals 1/16. So you're evaluating them, these first ones, and just write them as exponentials. So 7 to what power equals 1/49th? So it's got to be negative because now it's a fraction, 7 squared, so x to the negative 2. I may have put 2 in the answer sheet. Yeah, whatever. The next one, 5 to the x power equals 625. I think it's to the 4th, so x equals 4. Log of 0.01, just punch in your calculator. Log of 0.01, that's equal to negative 2. Log of 24 is 1.3802. And remember, if there's one that's ln, say ln of 10, just hit ln 10 on your calculator. Or something like that. Okay, that's it. That's the quiz. 15 questions. Took us 6 minutes, and I messed up a couple times. Should take you about 20 minutes to do this. Maybe. That would be a stretch if it takes you that long. So there are your answers.